Okay, guys, welcome back to another episode of Mystery Monday. This is part 2 in my 3-part Brilliant Stars opening. Now, I will link part 1 in the description below. Check that out if you haven't already, and stay tuned for part 3. Now, this booster box has 36 packs, and I'm only doing 10 per episode, so that will leave me 6 extra packs, and I will open up those at some point in a later video. Let's get into this first Charizard cover card pack. Alright. Sneasel. I feel like that's a good sign. I feel like every time I see Sneasel, we get a good card. But maybe that's just coincidence. We got a Bidoof, Electabuzz, Chimchar, Gibble. Got some cool art there. A reverse hollow Corphish, a Grimmsnarl, energy card, Collapse Stadium, Luxio, Pot Helmet, and that code there. Nothing too crazy out of that first pack, but let's move on to pack number 2. We definitely had some last pack magic last episode, but let's hopefully all the good pulls weren't in the first 10 packs. Okay, another Gibble, Trapinch, Castform, Thoreau, Shroomish, I don't know this weird looking guy here, another reverse hollow it looks like, and Mewtwo, cool, energy, Torkoal, double turbo energy, Kindler, and that code. Pack number 3, so far nothing too interesting, but hopefully I'd like to get one of these cover cards. Those look pretty cool. And I struggle so much with these. Like I said in the first video, I am more used to opening up Yu-Gi-Oh cards, and these are just... Okay. Let's get into these now. Cubchao, Duskull, Farfetch'd. I like that art there on the Farfetch'd. Execute, Grimer. Oh, cool, and a Flareon. First nice pull of the day, a trainer, Flareon, Manaphy, energy, Plup, Sharon's Care, Beartic, and that code there for anybody who wants it. 4th pack here. Again, one of those cover cards would be really cool. There we go. I just got to get that top open and then we're good. Okay. Let's see who we got here. Axu, Impidimp, Magmar, Riolu, Burmy, another reverse foil. Are there always this many reverse foils? This is my first time opening a booster. Lots of reverse foils. And who is this? Luminion V. That is cool. And an energy, Collapse Stadium, Luxio, Pot Helmet, and There we go. So there's that Lumineon. Leave that Flareon up there. I like to go values at the end. On to pack number 5, so we're halfway through. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you like content like this. I need to get better at opening these packs. I'd mainly like to do unboxing videos, and you know, Pokemon isn't really my thing, but I know it's the popular thing at the moment, so I know it's what people want to see, so I'm trying, guys, I'm trying. Alright, and a Staryu, and I really like that art on the Staryu. I like that, the rocky face background. Carablast, Harry, Cherubi, Sock, Tropius Reverse Foil, Golurk, V-Star card, a Sigilyph, another one of these. I think I have 3 of those now, and Molgrim. And then there is that code card there. On to this next pack here, another Charizard cover card. Will it bring us some luck? Hoping I can get through the rest of these packs here before my battery dies. So there's that. So Duskull, Sneasel, Corphish, and this likes the Corphish, Magmar. Interesting art there. Spiritomb, Reverse Hollow, Clefairy, Mothim, Energy, Friends and Galar, Probopass, Team Yell's Cheer, and that code pack. And I'm really not trying to speed through it, but I don't want my battery to die. I'm at 3%, and I'd like to get through these last 4 packs here. Okay, Burmy, Impidimp, Staryu. That's probably my favorite, just of how it looks. I actually haven't come across Riolu, Starly, any of my favorite Pokemon in this set yet. I really like Oddish, another Reverse Hollow. I really like Oddish, I really like Magikarp, Gyarados. I haven't seen any of those yet. Energy, Chinchou, Cleansing Gloves, Floatzel, and that code there. I tend to be a fan of the plant and water types. I really like Bellsprout, and so I don't know. Everybody seems to go towards the fire types, but Oddish is definitely my favorite. Ever since I first started in middle school, he was watching Pokemon, the OG Pokemon. Oddish was always my favorite. Corphish, Golett, Chimchar, Chimchar, Mancino, another Reverse Hollow Monferno, and a Hollow Lucario. Nice. Haven't pulled a Hollow yet out of this 10 packs. Energy, Friends and Galar, Probopass, Team Yell's Cheer, and that code for you guys. Battery's still at 3%, so I was hoping to get through the other 10 packs, but I'm gonna have to charge this guy. Alright. Not so many exciting pulls this round, but that Flareon is pretty cool. I still have 2 packs here, so let's see if we can make it worthwhile. Carablast, Clefairy, Cherubi, Sock. I think I'm mispronouncing that. I don't know how to say that. The art is really cool, but tell me, how is that a Pokemon? Choice Belt, Clefable, Psychic Energy, Siliglyph, Parashimu, Choice Belt, and that code. Last pack in this part 2 Brilliant Stars opening, and let's get some last pack magic here. We pulled quite a few reverse hollows. That one Lucario holo, the Flareon and Illumin V. And so let's see, hopefully there's something cool in this last pack. And again, stay tuned for that part 3. Check out part 1 if you haven't. Alright, Baltoy, Snorunt. Okay, that's new. I haven't seen that yet, I don't think. Nose Pass, I can't say that, you guys. Cubchoo. I see something. Oh, what is this? Oranguru. Okay, well, he's fancy looking. Muck. Energy. Cinccino. Cleansing Gloves. Floatzel. And that code there. Thank you for watching. Thank you for joining me on this Brilliant Stars opening. Here's the cards. I mean, we only pulled 3 fancy cards today. But please like, comment, subscribe if you like content like this. Thank you for watching. I will see you next Monday with another mystery box. So on to pack number, I forget.